Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today marks the official first day of December. It is officially Christmas. So today we are finally diving into it. I'm gonna be decorating and we're really just gonna be celebrating Christmas in all its glory. Very elegant, kind of Victorian, and I'm so excited to show you guys some of the fun DIY projects we'll be doing. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, have to show off the beautiful tree. This is a noble fir that we got from a local place, and I absolutely love this little store. It's almost like a market, but they have all sorts of different homemade goods. There's something super nostalgic about having a real Christmas tree. I've always had a plastic one, never a real one. But the first thing that of course we needed to do is add some lights. I don't have a tree skirt, but I do have a blanket. So we're gonna just use what we have and this will work just fine. The tree looks amazing. We have all the lights on and our tree skirt. And now we're gonna go ahead and move on to a fun DIY project that we can use for our tree. So for this DIY project, all you're going to need is 3 to 6 cranberry bags, depending on the height of your tree. You'll also need a needle along with some yarn or thread. To ensure that the cranberries will last till the end of the holidays, I'll be spraying an acrylic sealant over all the strands of garland to prevent the cranberries from rotting. Now the cranberries can get a bit heavy on the garland, so I will be folding 2 to 3 layers of thread to ensure a stronger base. And there's not really any rhyme or reason, you just simply thread all of the fresh, firm cranberries onto the garland. At the end, spray your garland with your acrylic sealant and let them sit for 6 to 12 hours. And then at the end, you'll have some fresh, beautiful cranberry garlands. So here is our cranberry garland. Turned out so pretty. I love the rich red. I've made a few strands, so we're gonna see how far those strands go. And if we need to make more, we can make more. But one thing I'm noticing is even a long strand doesn't go super far. It's so pretty though. I love it. Kind of like when they hang, like the ends hang. I don't really want to tie them, I just want to let them droop a little bit. So this is about what 3.5 bags got me. I feel like it's pretty far. And we're gonna be adding things to this. So this is not the only thing, this is just, we're layering at this point. I have some other things coming. Our next DIY project is not anything new. I've always wanted to put orange slices on my tree though. I think I made orange slices probably 3 years ago as like a filler, but I've never put them on the tree. So I have been working on drying some orange slices along with some other fruits. I did some apples and some pears. Look at the veining in this one. Isn't that so pretty? We're gonna go ahead and change gears real quick and focus on the mantle because I'm just waiting for a few more things on the tree. Ideally, I wouldn't have orange walls, orange mantle, but we're working with what we got this year and we do have some oranges that are playing in our Christmas decorations, so we can definitely make it work. So what I'm thinking is drape it like so, which if we have some extra, we could do that, but this is really pretty. So I need something here to hold it, but that looks really good. This is actually really weird because I was hating the orange, but now that we have this green up, it's kind of working together And I think once we add our other elements, it's gonna look really, really pretty. I do wanna add a candlestick. So I do have this one. This is a solid brass candlestick that I thrifted recently. It's very, very pretty. It has a lot of details on it. This would work really pretty up here because we are gonna have some gold bells that run along this, and this would help tie in that brass element. I just got our Amazon packages, which means we can finish our tree and our mantle. So I found these cutie little bells, and they were so inexpensive on Amazon. Kind of had like a little antique look to them, and there's two different shapes. So we're gonna be stringing these on our mantle, and I thought they were so pretty. And then I also wanted some burnt orange velvet. I've been very much into velvet ribbon. It is very, very pretty. And I want to string this on the mantle. Isn't that so pretty? Of course, had to get some red ribbon. And this was actually a really good deal. I want to say it was around $15, and I got 30 yards of this. Not velvet, but it's really, really pretty, and it has the frayed edges, which I thought would be so, so nice. We're gonna go ahead and finish up the Christmas tree. Now you notice I don't have a tree topper on because I don't know where it is. So we're gonna use ribbon and make it into a really pretty tree topper. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more of that red ribbon and do some bows on some of the outer leaves. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you found some inspiration for your home. This year really took kind of a Victorian turn. I think I've been in that Victorian old era because of our home renovation. So if you guys haven't checked out any of those videos, I'll make sure to link them down below. You can follow along with some of the home renovation stuff, and I will be updating y'all very, very soon because some really amazing things have happened since the last time I've shared with y'all. But right now we're in full Christmas mode, so I will be seeing you guys very soon for another Christmas themed video. I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.